I want to take society for a boat ride. A ride where all perceptions fed to the mind in the process of growth can be drowned deep into the waters, and the winds beating onto the wet words sing in chorus a new song to our minds. I want to take society to a boat ride. A ride where we search out for the center of the waters, the source of monsoon winds, and pause at that point to realign the society of what is said to what is. The reality we leave behind, feelings of pity, where we ought to live with affinity as one being in unity. I want to take society to a boat ride. Rewrite the narrative about gender equality and gender equity, for the end result between male and female should be amiability, not paid for a female heel. Society needs this boat ride, away from the noises that suffocate the streets. I want to take society for this boat ride and draw a line between love and sex, lust that lasts longer in the mind, but shorter in kind. Find the difference between truths and facts. It may be then we'll make it right where we need us to be.